Human immunoglobulin is a drug manufactured with human blood. It is often administered to patients with disorders or ailments in their nervous system. The root cause of this matter arose through a stock of human immunoglobulin vaccines. Several patients at multiple hospitals who were administered the drug had developed complications. Upon testing the stock of human immunoglobulin, it was revealed that the drug was not up to standard.
This medicine is used when someone is suffering from severe neurological illnesses. If we are unable to administer this drug, the initial ailment could lead to severe side effects. If it is not available, it could result in death as well. It is a drug to be used after thorough inspection of its manufacturing process.
The National Medicines Regulatory Authority, or the NMRA, is the sole entity in Sri Lanka empowered to regulate medicine and medical equipment. When inquired on the matter, the response of the NMRA was that it has neither issued a certificate of registration nor a waiver of registration for this drug. But another faction claims that a waiver of registration for the drug has been obtained. A waiver of registration is a process established through the NMRA Act to allow the emergency use of a drug that has not been registered with the NMRA upon the written request of the Minister of Health or the Health Ministry. The NMRA says the document presented as the waiver of registration for the drug in question is a forged one. Multiple letters said to have been issued by the NMRA were recently released, with differing official seals of the Chief Executive Officer. The content of those letters include importing the drug sans registration. What does the NMRA say about these letters now?
These are two of the seals shown by the channel. This is not a lie. This is a forged document used by the company. This seal was also shown in that image. This is a forged seal. Another letter with my signature was shown. That is not fake, but it was also shown to depict that there was no seal with the signature. The seal is in fact there. Sirasa showed it. I make a request to correct it.
Following this statement, Newsfirst contacted the CEO once more this evening. Upon inquiry, he revealed that although he cannot confirm the veracity of the signatures on the letters, he does in fact use two official seals. How was the state's medical supply process accessed through a forged document? As revealed earlier, either the Ministry of Health or the Minister must present a request in writing for the NMRA to issue a waiver of registration. According to this document, it has been issued by the Ministry of Health. It includes a recommendation on corporations supplying the relevant drug. If so, is this recommendation also inaccurate? Another serious revelation. The corporation manufacturing this drug cannot be located as of now. The NMRA says, although it is mentioned that an Indian company is the manufacturer of this drug, the particular company has informed the NMRA that it does not manufacture the drug. The GMOA shed more light on this matter yesterday.
A technical assessment committee has not been appointed for a tender to import a stock of IV hemoglobin. The scam starts from there. It is then directed to a tender board. When the tender was awarded, copies are sent to all corporations. Now, the NMRA claims it is a forged document. There are many instances where this matter can be cross-checked, but a very scandalous process has taken place since the inception.
If so, who is the supplier of this drug? A corporation named Isoles Biotech Pharma AG is said to be the supplier of this controversial drug. The NMRA is now of the stance that this is a dummy corporation and that it has not approved any sort of registration to this. The website of Isoles Biotech Pharma displays two addresses, one in Colombo 6 and another in Sidua. Newsfirst inspected both these locations today. We were unable to locate the office of Isoles Biotech Pharma at the address in Colombo 6, while the address mentioned in Sidua housed a building with its name board removed. However, the building was closed off and area residents revealed that the name board had been removed 2 days ago. Although Newsfirst attempted to contact the mobile of the owner of the corporation, named Janaka Fernando, and his company's hotline, both numbers had been disconnected. Another serious matter flagged is that this very corporation had supplied a stock of drugs to the state in 2021. This letter by the State Pharmaceutical Corporation bears proof of that matter. What does the NMRA say about this saga? We got to know yesterday from the Matra hospital that the same fraudulent supplier had given a stock of cancer medicine using the name of the Indian corporation to the medical supply division. The drug named Rituximab had been supplied through a similar forged document with this seal. According to our information, an order has been placed for another questionable drug, but that has not been supplied yet. This drug was also removed from use as soon as we were informed. But health trade unions had this to say. First, there are medicine regulation in this country. When it comes to the fore, they claim the document is fake. Medicine is brought to this country through fake documents such as this. There are letters with seals, letters without seals. Is this being done to remove themselves from the responsibility, claiming that this is not theirs once such a thing is brought to light? This drug is manufactured using blood plasma of humans. The donor and plasma is tested because various illnesses such as HIV/AIDS and hepatitis B can spread through this. A drug that requires strict scrutiny has been used in the country without registration or any sort of quality control. Now they claim there is no company either. The NMRA cannot absolve itself from this. How many more drugs of this nature might be circulating in the country?